now. Number 2 is HP SmartTank 6001 wireless printer. In today's fast-paced world, where memories are captured and cherished, having a reliable and affordable sublimation printer is a game-changer for lineages seeking vibrant and long-lasting prints. Then the HP SmartTank 6001 wireless all-in-one cartridge-free ink printer is the undeniable superhero of sublimation printing under $500. This fantastic machine is loaded with features that will leave you in awe. Its sleek design and versatile functionality make it a perfect fit for any household. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly changing ink cartridges, as this printer comes with innovative ink tanks that are easy to refill, allowing you to print without worry for years to come. Get ready to unleash your creativity. The HP SmartTank 6001 empowers you to print stunning photos, colorful graphics, and crisp text that will breathe life into your memories. Its exceptional quality ensures that every detail is captured precisely, making your prints remarkable. But that's not all. This printer is not just a pretty face, it's also brilliant. With the HP Smart app, you can effortlessly print, scan, and copy directly from your phone, unleashing your creativity wherever you go. So if you are interested in this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.